name's Dave. I'm the owner and founder of Cove Power. We're an electrical contractor here in North Van. We try to be your local electrician is the idea. Specialize in electric vehicles, new construction, renovation, service calls, anything to do with mostly residential. Online marketing is key these days. We need to connect with clients further than just word of mouth. Our competitors are definitely online and working towards having a better, stable presence online. So it's key for us if we want to be relevant and stay at the top with the competition. North Shore Digital has been fantastic for us. We've received 2 times as many leads. Organic leads coming from our EV landing page, which North Shore Digital created. We've seen traffic to the website increase. I don't even think we ranked on the first page at any point in the past. And now I know that we're popping up on there. Everything that we've gotten out of North Shore Digital has resulted in positive increase with traffic to the website, everything else to do with digital online.